Hi, hi everyone. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, June the 16th, 2020. In this daily newspaper, we have only one medium Sudoku. Only one regular medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus during the corona crisis. But first, we will solve the medium Sudoku, the regular medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here in this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5, should be here. Then a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And then we have, let me see. In this big square, oh no. 5 in this last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Then how about the 8 in this column and 8 in that column? So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. And then how about the number 5 in this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here also 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. How about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. And 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. And then we have a pair in this row. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those 5 missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8 are missing, but I cannot place the 2 and the 8 in these two boxes. So the 2 and the 8 goes in those 3 boxes. I see here 2 and the 8, so in this box cannot be 2 and the 8, so the 2 and the 8 should be here or there. That means one box left. This should be, these two numbers should be 1 and a 3. That means one number left, 1 and a 3. This should be the 4. 4 should be here, yes. These 3 numbers, the missing numbers are the 6, the 3, and the 1 in this row. I see here the 3 and the 6. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. So one box left, one digit left for the 1. 3 and the 6 goes there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 7 in this big square. 9 and the 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. And now we have a 5 in the last column, a 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here also 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 8, here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 8. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, we have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column should be the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. And now 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. The second column, the missing numbers here are the 2 and the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9 are missing in the second column. 2 and the 9, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, the 9 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be here. 1 box left in the last column, should be the number 6. Yes. Then, how about the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 1 number left in the third row for the number 7, 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1 and the final number of this big square for the number 7. Yes, finish in 13 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Again, thank you for watching this video. Medium Sudoku. So yeah, see you next time, and I will be continue with the extra Sudokus. So I will see you later. For now, bye bye.